This in the northeast corridor. Go to my cousin's house, you see none of this. No electrical equipment. Anyway, me and Birdmanrailfanner here.
Hi.
Hazlet. Seeing this Al 46A, 4644 right here. It's supposed to be a meat, but we all know what that is. Actually, I got it. I don't even know. Just looking it up. How you doing, Birdmanrailfanner?
Pretty good.
I think that's this engine a lot. Pretty good.
Any day now.
Not even recording yet. It's a multi-level Alp 46. I'm guessing an A. If I'm wrong,
No, it's a Q.
You guys have to comment positively.
No, it's a Q. That even exists.
Check it out. What's up?
Yeah, what's that?
Well, I know a conductor on the line. Not really sure when its times are, but I know.
You should know everybody, don't you, Mr. Popular?
Yeah, Mr. Popular.
1,600 Facebook friends?
I have no one that I work with. He's coming up next Friday, actually. I'm going to catch OI-16. Anyone who wants to go to see OI-16 with me can go ahead.
When?
Next Friday.
Where?
Perth Amboy.
Every time I hear Perth Amboy, I'm like, oh no. Just mention a train.
I got a 4633, not 46. I don't know. Let's get a cab.
This train smells like doo-doo.
Hi, Sean.
What?
This train smells like